We're gonna have a balmy 29 degrees now. Puppy print. Not a lot of traffic moving. They've not come at fire hydrant back. I'm not too worried about getting mail delivery. Let's see, I wonder how much snow did we actually get? How deep is that? Ooh, it's cold. I can't even see. Snow blind. Oh, look, we got a ice skating rink. We've had a few more people come off. Well, oh, there's a little pavement. Otherwise, this is the curve. Not nearly as cold. 29 degrees really is balmy compared to the 5 degrees it was when I woke up. The neighbors are over there eyeballing the water stuff, so I'm kind of worried what's going on there. Let me go visit with them. So my poor neighbor, bless her heart, her water has frozen and her pipes are busted. So that's not good. I'm just gonna have to deal with that mailbox when this stuff thaws out. Man, what a hot mess. But it's pretty. Don't pet the sweaty things. Yeah, it's time to get on inside. Let's go look at crystals indoors where it's nice and warm. I've had this batch of crystals for over a month, trying to get an opportunity to finish the cleaning process. I thought I'd just take a minute here, and since we can't get outdoors, and finish the cleaning process and share some clips of what's been going on with these pieces. As you can see, these are just buried in mud, so it takes a lot of soaking, a lot of picking. But the little small points, they just rinse real easy. Some of my subscribers, you may recall this piece. It's gorgeous. I love it. It's kind of in the shape of a heart. The right side has got a broken piece, so it's a broken heart. As soon as we get a break in the weather and get some temps above freezing, we'll get outside and I'll show you guys how we spray these and soak them in oxalic acid. It takes those red stains, the iron stains out of it, and cleans it up really pretty. Here's another big old ginormous heavy cluster. It has not been cleaned completely. But you can see how deep some of those crevices are, and you really have to work to get that mud out. You can kind of see that is heavy. My left hand is real weak trying to hold it. My brother had major spinal surgery on Friday. He's still in the hospital. And he has an African gray parrot named Bingo. That's Bingo. Hey, Bingo. How's it going, my dear? You missing Jim? Yeah. Say hi, Jim. Say hi, Jim. E-I-E-I-O? E-I-E-I-O? But he talks a lot, but he is missing my brother. I can't get him out of the cage. He's not trained to me, and I'm afraid of that big old beak. So he's a sweetheart. My brother also has another bird, and he is a Quaker parrot. And his name is Buddy, and I think his name should be Houdini, because keeps escaping out of this little temporary cage he's in. You hear him talking to me? He mocks my voice. Yeah, he sounds like a little transistor radio. But I've had to, look at this. I've had to wire this thing shut. We have wire there. We have wire here. We had to wire the water dish down because he was intentionally flipping it over out onto the floor. And, yeah, Buddy, he's a sweetheart, but he wants to be free. And I have 4 dogs and 2 cats. So he can't be free out in the main part of the house or in my room. So I'm sorry, little buddy. He's a sweetie. No bites. No bites. Yeah, I would love to let you out. We could play and talk, but no. We're not doing that, darling. So if you're hearing some birds in the background, that could be Bingo and Buddy, who I'm looking after until my brother gets out of the hospital. So let's look at some more rocks here. At sunset. We thawed out a little bit today. We got up to 39 degrees. We were able to get vehicles out. I parked mine over there, but I got to move it because the road is still ice over there. But it's a beautiful evening. I don't know if you can see the moon. The moon. There's the sun setting. And we're going to freeze again tonight. More freezing precipitation tomorrow. I'm so tired of this.